How to increase volume on iPhone for incoming calls. First of all, go ahead and swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. The Control Center provides quick access to frequently used settings and apps. You'll see a group of icons over here. Locate the volume slider button with a speaker icon. Then, hold the volume slider and drag it upwards to increase the volume. You can also access Control Center and adjust the volume even when your iPhone is locked. Alternatively, go back to the Settings page and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here, go to the Ringtone and Alert section at the top. The volume buttons can be used to adjust the volume of ringtones and alerts. Drag to increase the volume as shown. You have now set it to full volume. Following these steps, you can easily increase volume on iPhone for incoming calls. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.